Hey there guys, this is Unknown from Notion Hub, and in this video, we are doing a gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Moto G31. Now before we start, here are the specifications. It comes with 6.4-inch Max Vision AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. It has 409 ppi, 700 nits brightness, and it comes in 20:9 aspect ratio. And this has punch hole design. That's pretty good. For performance, it has Helio G85 processor with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. It has octa-core processor and has up to 6GB LPDDR4X RAM and up to 128GB of storage. Powering all this is 5000 mAh battery, and it comes with 20 watts turbo power charger, and it has Type-C port. In the audio department, it has single speaker at the bottom, and it is powered by Dolby Atmos. It has two microphones, dual noise cancellation, and it has 3.5mm audio jack on the top. Now here are our end-to-end Geekbench scores. Now this is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side. Battery is currently at 49%, and there is an AC running in the background at 26 degrees, and the room temperature is at 25 degrees. Now let's check the temperature before we start. On the front it is 31 degrees, on the bottom it is 32 degrees, on the back it is 32 degrees, and on the bottom it is 31 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and play Battlegrounds Mobile India. Now near the edge, you can see the Moto Game Time toolkit, and from here you can block calls, notifications, take screenshot, record the screen, and you get more in-game options which you can tweak for better gaming experience. Now let's look at the graphics settings. HD graphics and high frame rate are the highest setting available, so I'll be playing in that. Now let's get to the game. The visuals are great, colors look vivid, and details are also great. Controlling is pretty good, and I couldn't notice any lag. The punch hole design gives an immersive experience, and the sleek body with lightweight makes it easier to hold for longer duration. It's been 16.5 minutes since I'm playing this game. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is 39 degrees, on the bottom it is 36 to 38 degrees, on the back it is 38 to 40 degrees, and on the bottom it is 36 degrees. It's been a total of 17 minutes, and battery came down to 44%, and after the gaming, it is slightly warm on the front. So for approximately 16 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed 5% of battery, which is nice. Now for the heat test, I'll take pictures from front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and then check the temperature. AC is still running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is at 26 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and start taking pictures. It's been 3 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front, it is 40 degrees. On the bottom, it is 36 to 37 degrees. On the back, it is 40 to 41 degrees. And on the bottom, it is 36 degrees. The phone is hot on the front and warm on the back. Now I'll use the phone for a minute to check for throttling. By the way, it took 221 photos in 3 minutes. And that is good. And there is no throttling going on. So that's been the gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Moto G31. It has great visuals and gives immersive experience with that display. It has great performance and it is pretty sleek to hold and it is light in hand. So overall, it is good for gaming. What do you think about this phone? Let us know in the comments below. I'm Unknown from Notion Hub. Meet you in the next one.